Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back. We are going to be opening up a mystery box. I know, it's everybody's favorite. And it's from Franchise Kicks. I got two. We're going to open one today. And before we do that, I got to show you what I got from one of these signature series from $7 a pop. You guys are going to love this. Alright, so I believe that this is exactly what I think it is, and if it's not, well, to edit. So don't forget, by the time you guys are seeing this video, Mystery Grail will be going live soon with their weekly mystery box drop. Are we ready? It is. Brock Lesnar signed Funko Pop. How sick. If you didn't know about $7 a pop signature series, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern, they drop a different signature. Limited pieces. Sometimes they include protos, which are really cool, but this was definitely one that I had to grab. That was a good
But before we jump into this though, we have one appetizer box.
That was a good first unboxing because we have an awesome pop even if we don't hit anything great in the mystery box. But let's crack that open and I will read you the details. Okay, I got the information. So there's no photo on the website of the pops that are included. That might be over on his Instagram. But it says you will get 4 pops per box full of exclusives, vaulted, chase, grail, and common Funko Pops. 2-pack Funko Pops count as 2 packs. Average PBG box value is between $90 and $120. So these were $75. I got 2, with select boxes being worth up to $150 in PBG. Okay, so guaranteed over value. Why not, right? Okay. I have to tell you, I got some new spray and I keep getting like whiffs of myself and I smell pretty good. Little piece of information. Alrighty. Definitely 4 pops per box. Can't see anything. Alright. Tear it open. This is a stack. I don't want to get too excited because it could be like an art series. I'm really trying not to look down. All right, we'll open all the other ones. First one. Oh, thought I was gonna have it. Dom from Space Jam. He's, I believe, like $9. Oh, duh. I forgot he puts the price. $11. $11. Okay, second pop. Yeah, I mean, Clint doesn't drop a ton of mystery boxes, but I've tried to get a majority of the ones that he's dropped since I've been here. I don't think I've ever gotten like a top hit. I think I've like 5 or 6 mystery boxes of his, maybe. And this upside down. Artemis or Artemis. Ready Player One. It's a movie, apparently. GameStop exclusive.
Get out of town. Buckaroo Banzai? Huh? I like it. I like Buckaroo Banzai.
Oh, thanks.
It's great.
Yeah. You look awesome.
Thank
This one is $9. So far we are at 20, even on the nose. All right, last soft protector. I've been pulling them out wrong this whole time, so. Ooh, could have been smoother with it. All right, we got King Shark from the Suicide Squad. Fandom. DC Shop exclusive. $28, so we got 48 so far. Yeah, 40. All right, so then this one. Oh, okay. Not an art series. 2021 Summer Virtual Funkon. First to market. Snow White. That's it. Snow White. 80. Nice. We still have one box of out of this run left to open. We're not going to open it today, but we'll open it next week sometime. 80 plus 48 is 128 on a $75 box. I'm not mad. Not mad at all. I've actually never... Oh, there's a pin. How did I miss that? I have never actually had this Snow White. I mean, it came out last year, but you know what I mean. All right. Not terrible. Definitely, I mean, way over value, so how could it be terrible, you know? It would be so cool to pull like a ghost face top hit one day. I know it's not like a super grail, but that would just be so cool. But not this time. Drop a comment, let me know what your favorite pop out of the 5 that we pulled out today was, and as usual, everything but the Brock Lesnar is for sale. I love you guys. I hope you have an awesome rest of your weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday.